Hello, good evening students. Today's transcription number back of 90 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. These big foreign concerns must go. It is they who are taking all the advantage of the present position in India. About that aspect, I find that there has been no mention in the bill and there was no indication in the speech of the Honorable Minister for Commerce. Then, lastly, I would like to say that here also the government has taken the power to appoint the chairman and is going to reconstitute the board. The same remarks which I made in connection with the chairman of the coffee board are valid here. If it is the intention of the government to break the domination of the foreign rubber growers or big rubber growers in the rubber board, I think it will be circulated to honorable members later on. Let there not be any foreign representation on the board. If the government is not prepared to accept that suggestion, then also it can take certain other minimum steps. It can increase the representation of small growers. It can increase the representation of labor. The representation of small growers has been increased by 1, but the representation of labor should be increased. I do not suggest the number now. This manner, if the government thinks that the reconstitution of the rubber board is essentially necessary in order to exercise its powers for the development of the rubber industry, then the reconstitution should be on proper lines, not simply by having a dominated chairman, not simply by indulging in eyewash activities. The government should do everything to check the big foreign interests and big growers. Mr. Vice Chairman, as has been pointed out, we have a series of similar bills. Rubber is a cash crop, and therefore I think the government should be very careful to see that in fixing the price of a rubber, the price of the manufactured articles is borne in mind. The honorable member who preceded me has pointed out that the rubber manufacturers are mostly foreign firms, and the figures that he has given are really staggering. It has been pointed out that during the last 10 or 12 years, the profits distributed are 350%. That means the original 1 crore of rupee have received 3.5 crores of rupees as profit. It has also been pointed out that 1 crore of rupees have become 2 crores of rupees by means of bonus shares, and the market price of the shares of 2 crores of rupees is nearly 7 crores of rupees. That means that the original 1 crore of rupee become 10 crores of rupees in our country. The foreigners are multiplying their profits. They are expanding their industries and getting a strong hold on our economy. The honorable members of this house give protection. They want Indian industries to develop, but the advantage of this protection is taken by the foreigners. They set up factories in our country, and if at all some money is brought from outside, it multiplies tenfold.